Harting Mechanical Workshops in Minden, that's where it all started. He produced things there to meet the technical necessities of life and bartered in return for food. He built regulators and pumps for the vehicles of the British and American armies. He sold them worldwide. He went into medical technology and consumer electronics. He gave it all up in 1961, just half a year before his death, and put everything into the Hahn connector, finally laying the foundation stone.
Your parents are actually a very early example of the partnership-based management of a family business that continued on. Unfortunately, your mother then became very, very ill. She couldn't work anymore, and you brought me into the company so I could do her job.
We had an idea, and we wanted to develop it. We wanted to give the company a vision for the future. First, we want to shape the future with technologies for people. Second, we want to become a global company.
And third, we want to create value for people. And of course, that also means that something that's important and has significant value in people's lives is a secure basis for their career, which our children are handling very nicely, the way they've divided up their work. Look, isn't that beautiful, the plane there? With Mum, Dad, the two of us, you in the cockpit in front.
I think Grandma and Grandpa would be very proud to see how the company has developed here. And the fact that the four of us have been doing this together for 15 years is also a really great story.
I'm also glad that I still ended up finding my way. I didn't know what I wanted in the beginning. You were always saying it when you were 16. I was glad I got to have my freedom. Now I think it's just great to be here and to have found the way here and to be able to contribute to our fifth corporate goal of we want to remain an independent family-owned company. I have to say it also helped that we were able to develop the fourth generation in a nice and relaxed way. Do you know that that was our first family day, the first generation day we had here in the company? In the end, they have the freedom to do whatever their inclinations are.
Our family name is on our products and solutions. That's an aspiration, a promise, and reliability all at the same time.
Pushing performance!